they use their unga zile makindi. Maji yangu. Oh no, flatten it. Flatten. Hello, if you have never seen me before, my name is Prudence, or you can call me Dance, just as the name says. I'm going to make ugali and ugali and milk. The reason why I'm taking a light meal is because tomorrow I have like a full day to revise for my examinations. I hope this pimple is not disturbing your eye, and I want to wake up early, and whenever I eat I get itis. Is it itis or is it iris? Kizungu si cha mdomo changu, alright? So stick around, let's see how I make ugali. And the ugali I'm going to make, it's the one that you buy from a Posho meal. Let's make ugali.
Paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, I'm done. I'm just gonna place it there.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Something in the water. I don't know what it is actually. So the first thing I usually do, I take a cup, nachota. Ow! Damn! Nachota maji, naekelea maji kwa counter, naekelea hapo hivyo. I pick my mwiko. Here is the mwiko, and then the unga. My unga inaisha. Inside kuna kikombe ya kuchota unga. Aya, tunapunguza moto kidogo. Yale. Unaweka unga, ukikoroga, but the kukoroga mzuri ni utafanya niambia unga yangu inaisha. If you have never been taught how to make ugali, this is how you make it. I know everyone is gonna be coming to the comments and telling me blah 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 blah, but this is how I do my ugali. So right now I'm trying to kutoa hizo manini. Don't ukieka unga usieke unga mingi, just weka unga kidogo yenye haitakuwa ngumu by the first nini. If you want your ugali isikuwe ngumu, usieke unga mingi. I would advise uweke, unaona vile nimeweka kidogo mpaka time yenye utalan the amount. Sasa hapa you have to work on low heat, because if you work on high heat itachoma ugali yako iungue na kama haijaiva vizuri. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to break down the unga zile makindi, the lumps. I'm breaking the lumps. After the lumps are done, what you're going to do is you're going to spread the ugali around the sufuria. As you can see, the ugali imeanza kutokea huku kando, and I can sikia the harufu. So maji yangu I have a very weird way of making my ugali. So this is the time that I come in with my other water. I'm telling you, this ugali is going to be sweet. It's not your regular ugali. It's going to be sweet. Na mimi msiambie hiyo maji kisha kwa. But kama maji yako imepoa sana, you can like dig. You can dig that way. Na hivyo and allow it ichemke kidogo. Mpaka ikuwe na consistency yenye wewe unadai. If haina, ongezea maji. So now this is a good consistency. So I'm going to leave it again. Unajua hii ni ugali ni unga ya kidhei. Kwa hivyo it is actually going to take more time. The ugali is now ready. So what I now need ni kuitoa kwa sufuria. Something I left out is you should actually kupindua hii ugali yako, like you ensure. Damn, I think nimeweka maji mingi. You should ensure hii ugali yako imepinduka. Oh no, so okay, ugali kiiva inafaa itokane. Unaona hivyo venye inatokana? That's how it's supposed to be doing. So let me give it some more time. Alafu nikuje nione kama itapinduka, because I think imeka maji mob. Let's now try again. Imekaa kwa moto for a while. Yeah, I think now it's okay. I just can't touch it by my hand. Just allow me to do this my way. So I have, oh boy. Again, flatten it. Aya, so let me pindua. There is my ugali, and there is this. Na hii I'm pretty sure itatoka. You have to take it when it's still hot. Ikikuwa baridi haitatoka na haitakuwa crisp. So you have to kuitoa. Oh! Yay! Oh, you are not seeing the Yay! No, this is too dark. I have to put it on the water. And the ugali is sweet. The crust that is. Yeah, I am from. Yes, it is. Oh, my tomato is raw. Damn, why did I not notice it earlier? I have two plates. I'll plate this. Okay, so I was saying, there's those people who usually cut their milk like this. They use their. I hate that. If I see you cutting nini na meno, just find yourself some kitchen scissors za kukata, because I don't know, like umekata maybe kuja brush meno and then maziwa ipitie hapo, like, do you get the picture that I am trying to put in there? Yeah. After cutting, I just pour. That is our meal for today. Up until next time, I love you so much. Bye bye.